So I can't believe that I'm here, but we made it to what I like to call the post skin purging check-in. Yes, that is right, ladies and gentlemen. The skin purging I experienced is finally over. I started this past year in August of 2020 with BHA, and my skin purged continuously until into November of 2020. And since about halfway through November, I have been in the healing process. So I wanted to take you guys through how I am dealing with the scarring that has occurred due to the skin purging, as well as some hyperpigmentation. And also, what am I doing now to help restore and maintain my moisture barrier, which inevitably can be diminished with overuse of BHA. So for me, during the process of skin purging, I was using BHA about every single day. And no regrets, because I was using betaine salicylate, which is a milder form of BHA, and I wanted to have the skin purging process over as soon as possible. I didn't do it recklessly, however. I was maintaining that if I had any irritation in my skin or if it was overly dry, I would rest and discontinue use until my skin was feeling happy again. So that would usually require a day or two off. Now that I'm no longer in the skin purging phase and all of the impurities and buildup in my skin has been purified and cleared out, it's time to take the BHA and give it the backseat. I'm still using it once or twice a week. So it's not gone, but I no longer need to use it that much. And in fact, if I continue to use it that much, I could start seeing adverse effects in my skin because of the effects that it has on diminishing your moisture barrier over time. Aside from giving BHA the backseat in my skincare routine, here are some other things that you can do to maintain the moisture barrier in your skin. Your moisture barrier is the Captain America shield between your skin's vulnerable inner workings and the harsh elements out in the wild. It consists of the epidermis's outermost layer of the stratum corneum. How can it be diminished? Violence. It can be diminished with violence, aka overexfoliation, which can result in tight, dry, irritated skin that is vulnerable to breakouts, infection, and fine lines, just to name a few. Practice non-violence and be gentle with the skin, avoiding overexfoliating or scrubbing, as well as harsh cleansers. Promote moisture and hydration with humectants in serums and essences, and lock in the moisture with an occlusive. Healing hyperpigmentation and scarring is a matrix of things that have to do with general health overall, as well as things that can be applied topically and things that you can consume that will help you specifically with the skin. Rectifying scarring and hyperpigmentation requires a lot of the same things that is required for general health and vitality. Highlighting certain vitamins, minerals, and other micronutrients not limited to vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, carotenoids, vitamin D, polyphenols, flavonoids, botanical antioxidants, coenzyme Q10, pre and probiotics, as well as essential fatty acids. The good news is you can get most of this from a varied and healthy diet, implementing the 80-20 rule. You can supplement anywhere you feel like you're lacking from your diet alone. Topically, for thickened scars, opt for spot treatments that brighten and exfoliate the thickened scar regions, and generally maintain a skincare routine that leaves you feeling like a hydrated, nourished, fifth dimension, glowing, crystallized starseed. So this is my skin post-purge with zero coverage on the face. I'll make sure to include some pictures of what my skin looked like directly after the purging had happened. But this is what it's looking like now. It doesn't take a whole lot once you have the basics down. So if you already have a pretty decent skincare routine, You might find that your progress will be just about as good as mine if you started with similar skin conditions that I did. And obviously everyone is going through something a little bit different with regards to their skin, their acne situation, and their ability to heal scarring. And also there are other factors like age that can impact this as well. But these are really good fail-safes that anyone can apply to make sure that there is a base level of health in the skin. So that is basically it. There is one gray area that I probably will not know until about the 1 year mark. And that is what is gonna happen to my face in the summertime. When it gets warm again, when there's more proclivity for bacteria to flourish, when I'm sweating more and I'm wearing a mask, what is gonna happen to my skin? This is going to be the real true test on whether or not my skin has truly gained the ability to effectively clear out the nonsense. And that is an update that will probably come towards the end of summer 2021 with my 1 year in review with that. Will the closed comedones come back? Really hope not, but we'll see. So far, I'm very happy with the progress. I've rearranged my priorities when it comes to my skincare, and right now those priorities include just having a really hydrated face and maintaining a mild exfoliation routine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.